Oh my god. Dude, I didn't know Deidara can make shit this big. Holy crap. Ooh, dang. Nice. Dang. See Itachi wiping, man. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. We are getting back into Shippuden today, episodes 123 and 124. Picking back up after some craziness with Orochi Kabuto. We gotta come up with a nickname. Half Kabuto, half Orochimaru. Call him Okay. KO? Okay? I don't know, man. And then, yeah, maybe some Sasuke versus Deidara and Toby. Should be a fun batch here. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. It's Friday here, so I am doing quite well. I'm done with work, getting into the weekend. I always feel kind of bad, like being like, yeah, it's Friday here, or it's the weekend here, because by the time I release this, it might be a damn Monday for y'all, which would kind of fucking blow, you know. But that's y'all's problem, not mine. Anyways, let's recap the characters from last time. We gave MVP to Jiraiya. Just the scene with him kind of cheering up Naruto with giving him an extra little pork slice, and I don't know, just him admiring him. I just liked you could see like the pride that Jiraiya has in Naruto already. It's really cute. For the best moment, we gave that to the Kabuto reveal of him taking part of Orochimaru, you know, trying to copy Sasuke a little bit, just not doing as cool of a job, / looks a little cursed. We'll see. I don't know. I don't even know what to think about Kabuto's character anymore. We'll have to see. I'm just gonna have to trust the process with that one. And then for the funniest moment, we give that to Toby, him teasing Deidara. Seems like it's gonna be a little bit of a consistent theme that Toby's gonna be getting some laughs. And then for Sako, we actually skipped over that last episode, so no Sako. But yeah, I think with that being said, we could probably just go ahead and get into these episodes. If y'all enjoy these, so dropping a like, subscribing, I appreciate all the support. Check out the Patreon, the link below. 4 weeks ahead there. I'm not sure what that will have in store for us at this point, but hopefully some crazy shit. Alright, y'all, let's go and get into these episodes. Cats! Deidara, my favorite Akatsuki member, just because of his cats. I have a feeling he might just get absolutely clapped by Sasuke, though. It's like the Wild West. Damn. You know when it has this art style, you know the animation's about to pop off. Damn, bro. Only thanks to the Uchiha blood. Damn, you jelly? He's jelly. Deidara wants them Uchiha eyes, boy. Ooh. Oh, he's got teleportation too? Like the yellow flash? No, here we go. Oh, not all these little critters. Dude, so sick. Dude, so funny.
手のひらから爆発物を作る能力か。
爆風でどうにか逃げ切れた。練り込んだチャクラを C1 にしといて助かったぜ。
C1 like his like lowest level, I assume.
こいつはどうだ?
Ugh, I don't like that. I wonder what kind of like Jitsu style Deidara uses, like with the change in like nature chakra here at all. Like is this like some kind of form of earth and stuff with the clay? Ooh, it's sticky. Oh man, this looks like it's gonna be annoying to deal with. Dang. Just gonna keep splitting like, yeah, like smaller and smaller ones, like a Hydra kind of thing. Yeah, dude, this is getting worse. Ooh. Damn, Toby's got a good eye. Yeah, Sasuke's got a pretty good opponent here, man. Oh. Quit underestimating each other, you fools. always a substitution. Oh my god. Dude, I didn't know Deidara can make shit this big. Holy crap. Signature art pieces. Ta-da! Ugh.
あのでかいのも爆発物になり得るのか。しかもあの形状からして空からか。厄介だ。来た！先輩のポップアートの力！
Your pop art.
ポップは死んだ。オイラのはスーパーフラッグだ。
Man, it's like Dragonception here. Ooh.
さっきとは違う。
This is like a little bit more like what he fought Gara with.
とりあえずあいつ
Something similar, maybe.
伸ばせる限界は5メートルってとこか。
前を見切られたか。
博士のだろうそれ。伸ばしたり投げたりって形状変化は認めてやるがよ。こいつはさっきのとは威力が違うぜ。吹き飛べ。
Man, Deidara's power, dude. So flexible.
かかった。
What was that?
やったか。
Curse marks out, boy.
翼まで入るとはな。うまく上へ飛んでかわしたか。ねえ、先輩！地雷粘土すべてセッティングオッケーっす。よくやったトビ。お前は離れたろ。
上からは誘導弾、下からは地雷か。
Yeah, they seem really annoying to take on.
空中からのピンポイント攻撃。
One misstep and you're screwed.
お前の足元にはすでにびっしり地雷が敷き詰めて踏みつけただけで自動爆破だ。
誘導弾を確実に当てるためか。俺の攻撃範囲の外。
Well, you better take to the air.
その負傷した足で俺の空中からの攻撃をうまくかわせるかな。次のはでかいぜ。飛ばせるか。カッツ
ガッツ
翼でガードなんか。
Oh shit, dude.
もう飛べねえな。またよくじゃよ。さすがデイダラ先輩。これで終わりにしてやるぜ。
Yo.
そんなもんが当たるか。足場なし。地雷原に落ちたらどこかはもげるぜ。確実にな。
Ooh, dang. Nice.
こいつ刀をわざと地面に地雷の有無を確かめ足場を作った足場にした刀の長さの分それに片翼を使ったジャンプこの位置そうかあの攻撃で刀の真上にオイラを誘い込み
Just a little diversion, man.
距離を
Yo.
やばい下には地雷が
Using his own ability against him. Well, I guess that was Toby's, right? But bro, they're gonna blow up the whole countryside. Chill. Damn, Toby actually sounded real concerned there. Freaking snakes.
やっぱ最後は爆死じゃないですか。あのバカ野郎。
He ain't done yet. He's hurt though.
まだ生きてた。しぶとい。
Damn, this is a cool matchup, man. Wow. You got lucky.
このクソガキが
He's sweating, boy.
あの目あの目だ
Does he have some history with some of the Uchiha?
暁だ知るかそんなもんオイラのアート
A little backstory.
こんなガキを俺の連れにしなきゃなんねえのか。威勢はいいな。
Oh, Sasori, man.
こいつの能力は役に立つオイラの能力を知ってんのか一体
The Bomb Terrorist. That's a fitting name for him.
爆破テロを起こしているのはあなたですね。抜け人のあなたが何の目的でそんなことを。
目的そんなもんありゃしねえよオイラは依頼を受けて爆発を起こすだけだオイラの作品
His
でね
art creation.
作品
そうだ見ろこの洗練されたラインに二次元的なデフォルメを追求した造形まさにアートだだがオイラのアートはこれだけじゃないオイラの作品は流動的だ形ある時はただの造形物に過ぎない、これは爆発するその爆発によりその存在を消化させて初めて本来の作品になるオイラはその一瞬の消化にこそアートを感じてならない、芸術は爆発なのだ
Damn, this scene, bro.
うざいな。
終わりですか。さあな、もういい。俺がやろう。
なんだあの目やろうってのか
俺が勝ったらお前
Dang.
オイラをアートをなめん
See Itachi wiping, man.
崇高な芸術だアートを感じろカッ生きがってた割にはその程度がよ終わりだ
よく自分の姿を見た方がいい。
Gotta use some genjutsu on him, boy.
何
危なかったですね。もうしたよ。
やっぱ
Deidara's is getting pwned, man.
いつの間に
初めからですよ。イタチさんの車輪ガンを見たとき、すでにあなたは現実の中。
JC? Oh my gosh. Looking like a goddess up there. Show him the light.
美しい芸術だオイラが国見入っちまうなんてあれが芸術だと
Hey, don't deny others' art.
認めねえぞ
Hey, you're part of that. You're part of that art too. You made the big hole.
ふざけるなオイラの方が上だオイラの能力は完璧だあれにも負けない
Hey, he's too attached to it, man.
オイラの方が上だ負けるはずがねえ
Damn, soundtrack going hard.
あんな
うわ起爆粘土を自分の口で食ってるってことは
とっておきだ 次で殺す飛び
It's just a really big explosion.
やべえチーボー
Dude, Sasuke's face, that's me right now. Like, what the hell are you making, bro?
イタチを殺すためのとってお
Oh, he was gonna get vengeance on Itachi, too. Oh, he just made a huge form himself. His ultimate art form, a giant Deidara. That's ridiculous, man. Dude, this fight's wild right now. Such different styles, like Deidara versus Sasuke. I don't know if you could ever even get past Itachi. Like, it all goes back to, like, you just can't look into his eye or you're screwed. Like, you lose automatically.
イタチを殺すためのとっておきの術だったんだよな
He looks real tired after making that, though. I like how he makes it with the whole Akatsuki robe and everything, too.
でかいこれが爆発するとなると
Yeah, you ain't getting away from that.
いきなり逃げんのかよおい逃げ切れると思ってんのかこの C4 カルラから
Ugh. Dude, this one's gonna be even bigger than the last one.
不発
No, no way. Oh, he's looking insane.
違うこれは
おいらの勝ちだ芸術は爆発なのだ
What the heck?
まさかこんな
What the fuck's going on? I am Confucius. Art. I mean, that's not very spoilish, at least.
これぞ最高傑作だ
やった超小型ナノサイズ爆弾 C4 カルラ巨大データラを破裂させその爆風により目には見えない小型爆弾を大気中に散布
Dude, that's crazy.
体内のあらゆる箇所に爆弾をセットされる仕組み爆発は細胞レベルで体内から生物を破壊していく
Jeez, man. That's insane. Cool ability. Yeah, definitely frightening. Like, you can't even see what's killing you.
イタチに礼を言わなきゃな勝ったぞオイラの芸術が
Bruh. No.
そうだな動きが遅いぜ
その目
目には見えぬ爆弾だが俺の車輪ガンはチャクラを色で見分ける俺には煙の塊のようにはっきりと見えているお前の耐久している場所はその小型爆弾が及ばない高さにあることも分かった
Damn, dude. Sharingan. Crazy.
爆弾が見えていれば逃げるのは
So OP, bro.
お前が C4 で死んだように見えたのは
Yeah, what was that?
俺の現術だ
Damn, he used Genjutsu too?
やっぱりそうだったか
急所は外してあるイタチの居場所を教えろ
だからイタチに礼を言わなきゃって言ったんだ
粘土分身か
So many clones!
イタチと一緒だ二度と同じ手は食わねえぜ
Good on you, Deidara.
イタチとやったあの日からおいらをアートをなめんじゃねえぞ俺の忍術は何よりも崇高な芸術だアートを感じろカツ生きがってた割にはその程度がよ終わりだ
よく自分の姿を見た方がいい
危なかったですねもう少しで自爆するところでしたよ
やっぱり早死にするタイプだなこいつは
現実かいつの間に
初めからですよイタチさんの車輪ガンを見たときすでにあなたは現実の中
So he knew better to look into Tachi's, I assume. Or Tachi's, Sasuke's this time.
美しい芸術だあれが芸術だといや認めねえ俺の左目は 対車輪ガン用として鍛えてたのさ。現実を解く訓練を怠るわけねえだろ。これで本当の最後だ。直接C4を食らえ。
Damn, dude, this is wild. It's just like Uno reverse left and right. Dude. Sasuke cooked, bro? God, what a crazy ability.
振りほどく力も残ってねえか。あ
Man, that's dope.
やっぱりか。その中はさっきと同じ目には見えねえ C4 爆弾だぜ。
Bleh.
その上、今のでチャクラを使い切っちまったか。情けねえダサくだぜ。
Oh, they're already in there. Yeah, you better try to stay as close to him as you can. I mean, they're all micro, though. It's already in him, so it probably doesn't matter, though.
さあどうする。ありったけの雷切りか。この距離なら雷切りを伸ばした攻撃も当たらねえぜ。終わりだ。カッツ。
Dude, what?
勝った。オイラの勝ちだ。
I don't know what to believe. Just too many Uno reverses. I'm not gonna believe anything. No conclusions are being drawn. Again? Bro, what the fuck is going on? Damn, that was a huge punch. Damn, Sasuke's hurt though. He like electrocute like all the little things inside of him or something.
ことだ。これは現実じゃない。だとしたらこいつどうやって C4 爆弾を。
Yeah, he like hurt himself with it, you can tell.
お前まさか気づいてたのか。
ああ、とっくにな。あんたシャリンガンを相手にするときは印は隠して結ぶのが基本だ。どれだけ早かろうがこの目で見切る。あんたのこれまでの術は全部怒涛の印だった。
Yeah, Earth style.
の千鳥はライトン、そういうことだろう。
やっぱり気づいてやがったのか。
I forgot which one's counter which. I need to go look back on that.
まさか。
怒涛はライトンに。
Okay, it is. Okay, that's what I was thinking, but
ライトンを食らえば起爆しなくなる。それが弱点なんだろう。
お前。そうか。さっきの雷切りは自分の体に。それで体内の C4 を不発にしたのか。
it's like deactivate them. Interesting.
おかげで体がボロボロだ。正確には千鳥という術だがな。
オイラの芸術の弱点を短時間の間にこうはっきりと。いつ気づいた。
地雷を食らった後だと言っても分析は最初からずっとしていた。
Man, the real time like analysis required for this crap while you're fighting it would just be insane.
あんたの作り出した爆弾には爆発したものとしてないものがあった。そこである仮説が生まれた。
仮説。
あの時爆発したのはあんたが俺の反撃を回避しようとして新たに投げつけた爆弾一つだけ。その前の俺が鳥千本で射抜いた爆弾は全て起爆していなかった。だが、あれはあんたの仲間の近くにも落ちたからな。わざと起爆させなかったとも考えられる。
つまり起爆しなかったのは千鳥のおかげか俺の意思かわからなかったってことだな。そうか。だからその二択を地雷で確かめたのか。
その通りだ。
C2 は地雷の足止めと
It's just like a mind battle.
この連携攻撃がミソだ。お前の足元にはすでにびっしり地雷が敷き詰めてある。踏みつけただけで自動爆破だ。
自動爆破なら俺の雷属性の術で土属性の爆弾が不発になるかどうか確かめることができる。
Dude, he's freaking out.
地面に刀を刺した時だ。あれは地雷の有無を確かめたんじゃない。仮説を確信に変えるために千鳥を帯びた刀で地雷を。
Cool, man.
けどどうやって。
Sasuke's big brains. Big brains.
この目はチャクラを色で見分ける。そう言わなかったか。
地雷の位置が見えただと。地雷のない場所に足場を作るために刀を刺したわけじゃなかったってのか。あれは起爆粘土が不発になるかどうかを試すため。じゃあもし地雷が不発にならずに爆発したらどうするつもりだった。
ただの二択だ。そうなれば俺にはもう一つ披露する。
Sasuke looking real confident, man.
こいつ まだ他に何か術を。
What jutsu? Oh, he's out. Don't tell me he's gonna kill him right now. I honestly don't want Deidara to die, dude. I'd be kind of sad. And the change of chakra nature stuff is like, you gotta be careful with that shit. The counters are just, they go crazy.
生きがってももうギリギリじゃねえかよ。急激にチャクラがなくなったようだな。
Where's Toby?
オイラには起爆粘土が。この状況、少しは動揺してみろよ。てめえは、今度こそオイラの芸術で殺されんだぜ。そういうとこがムカつくんだよ。てめえら兄弟のそういうクールよそってんじゃねえぞ。
They are cool.
その目だ。その余裕こいた目が目障りなんだ。オイラの芸術を否定するかのようなその目が許せねえ。芸術を見て少し
Denies your existence.
その目がオイラの芸術を無視するその目が許せないんだよ。
Good voice acting, man.
そんなものは眼中にない。それよりイタチの居場所を教えろ。
He's gonna crash out.
シャリンガンまで引っ込めたか。もう舐めやがって。
Ooh. What the hell, bro?
オイラの究極芸術だ。
Another trick up his sleeve.
自爆する。こいつ。死んでオイラは芸術になる。この地に今までにない傷跡を残し、そしてオイラの芸術は今までにない賞賛を受けるだろう。トビー、悪いな。オイラの賞賛の中、てめえは確実に死ぬ。半径10キロが爆発範囲だ。
Bro, that's insane.
さあ、怯えろ、驚嘆しろ、絶望しろ。
Deidara is insane, dude. He's insane.
オイラの芸術は
He's a psychopath, bro. A crazy artist. Oh, not all the little wildlife critters. They don't know what's coming. One last cut. Oh no. Dude, just melting it. Wow, man. Yeah, it's gonna end there. Sorry. Now I'm crashing out, guys. I'm crashing out from Deidara, crashing out. All these freaking Uno reverses. My mind doesn't know what to believe anymore. Dude, I don't know, when Sasuke came down, like it looked like he was about to, you know, have the complete upper hand to kill Deidara. I was like, I got so sad all of a sudden. Like, I don't know, Deidara's almost like Hidan to me, but for some reason I am more attached to him almost. I don't know. But I mean, if everything that was just said is true, which you have no clue in this damn show sometimes, then he's a goner, right? And it seems like Sasuke would be a goner too, but I mean, obviously I'm skeptical of Sasuke being killed off by something like this, but is Deidara dead? Is he dead? Is he goner? Part of me is like kind of also like a little confused on like where the Akatsuki's gonna go from here, because like the last time they all met in the last episodes we watched, there's only what, like 5 or 6 of them left. Is Kasame, Itachi, the leader, Deidara, Toby, and Zetsu, right? So there's only 6, and if Deidara just died, there's only 5. So like, how are they gonna really like take control over the whole world if all of them are getting killed off left and right? Unless they recruit more, I guess. But damn, yeah, that I feel like I don't know what reality is anymore after that episode. It was so chaotic. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and talk about these episodes for a little bit. Immediately, the Oosh boy, has heard that we're talking. You just gotta get up in here, huh? He loves licking his lips. That's like his anxious tick. He doesn't hiss or scratch or anything like that, but he will lick his top lips. Like he like gets it all like he's literally like ripped his fur off of his lip a little bit because he always does it so much, poor buddy. Anyways, let's talk about these episodes, y'all. Pretty interesting fight. I mean, honestly, like there's some elements to this fight that I really loved, and there's some that were like, I don't know, it's like a little hard to get your bearings sometimes in fights like this. Like I'll compare it to a fight like Hidan and Kakuzu versus like Shikamaru and Kakashi, that whole fight, because I think that one's like one of my favorite fights, right? Like I really love the balance between the analytical side of the people's powers and hearing people kind of decipher people's powers and whatnot with a lot of just action and taijutsu. Just, it felt really balanced. This one's very much more on the analytical side, kind of like the game of having very really unique powers and then trying to decipher your opponent's skill set. I really feel like Deidara came in with such a unique skill set, and he's always had that unique skill. It's cool, like just knowing more about like the chakra nature techniques, and it making a lot of sense that he's Earth style, right? And obviously he has a very unique style within Earth nature with being able to like make explosives out of it. But he does such like a interesting, job of kind of planning the uniqueness of his power to throw off his opponent with, the bombs from above, the landmines, the nano ones, and even the last one here, very interesting. But dude, it's crazy how, this fight really shows how strong Sharingan is. We've always known how strong Sharingan is, but just like being able to see the color of the chakra, like if Sasuke didn't have Sharingan in this case, he probably would have been killed, right? Like being able to see the color of the chakra so that he can see the landmines underneath and pinpoint it and test how these things get detonated, and if his lightning style can actually counter the Earth style since Earth is weak against it. And then being able to see the nano ones and kind of know the range of it and see it within him, and because he tested on the bomb, he knew he could use it against himself to diffuse the bombs within him. So it's just crazy how strong Sharingan or how useful it is in a fight like this. But even more like outside of that, it's like you could have Sharingan, but like it takes so much like intelligence and such a great analytical ability to be able to decipher that while you're fighting. Like, dude, all these ninjas in the Naruto universe are all freaking geniuses, man. They are all so quick-witted, so fast. Like, this whole fight was like, oh, I'm going to counter you this way. I'm going to counter you this way. Oh, I thought 10 steps ahead, blah, 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 blah. So it's, it's cool seeing that, but at the same time, it's also like, I think as a viewer, sometimes a little like hard to know like where you're at in the fight kind of thing. This one felt a little kind of chaotic to me. Not that it was bad. I still really enjoyed it. Still really good animation, still really cool techniques, like cool seeing Sasuke having a one-on-one here, and with Orochimaru is kind of like more of like an aura, or like just embodying the power or of like an Uchiha that overpowered Orochimaru in this weakened state. This time we got to see him one-on-one with an Akatsuki member who has a very unique skill set, and just seeing like Sasuke all grown up, and he feels like a real shinobi. He's got a presence to him, man. So that was really cool to see. I also really liked the flashback when Deidara was confronted by Itachi, Kisame, and Sasori to join the Akatsuki, and the kind of the little fight between Itachi and Deidara, and one seeing Sharingan in action from Itachi is always cool, just how strong his genjutsu is, but I really like the visual of Itachi and like the light coming through the building after the bomb and exploded it, and like Itachi's almost like symbolized as a god in that case, and even Deidara is like acknowledging him as like art, and then of course he kind of is like, nah, he denies it after that. I can't admire someone else's art form or whatever, or power to be stronger than my own. But I don't know, I just thought it was an interesting depiction. Like, whether you like it or not, Itachi is kind of like the cream of the crop kind of thing. Like, you might think your own powers are strong, but nothing is, nothing can stand before Sharingan. right? Nothing can stand in its view and be seen as the only or the strongest form. It's like nothing can stand up to that without being picked apart. Really cool. And I like how was kind of like a theme in this encounter with Sasuke. For Deidara's character, it's kind of like he hates what Sharingan means. It's like an absolute dismemberment of his art form. It's a lack of acknowledgement. Maybe some other people have acknowledged Deidara's art, and he's so attached to it and tied to it. It's like all of his identity is this power that he has, and Sharingan sees right through it. There's no admiration for it. There's no like ties to it. Sharingan's just like so nonchalant, laid back. Just a look in Itachi and Sasuke's eyes as they look at Deidara. It's like they have zero care at all. They're too cool for it, as Deidara would say. But it's like Sharingan kind of like transcends anything like that. It transcends it like a god almost. That's kind of just like the way it made me feel in the Itachi flashback, and Deidara's like a little rant at the end after Sasuke's like looking into his eyes with Sharingan. Really interesting. All right, let's go ahead and do the character ratings. For MVP, I'm gonna give it to Sasuke, and just like Sharingan in general, Sharingan and the analytical ability of Sasuke, just so powerful having Sharingan, but like even more so just like the amount of intelligence and analytical ability to be able to use that effectively is mind-blowing. Man, if I was a freaking shinobi in this world, I would have been dead from day one. All these guys are way too smart for me. For the best moment, I'm gonna give that to Deidara, and just like the general disdain he has for Sharingan, like we just talked about. I really like the scene with him kind of exploding at Sasuke. The voice acting was really good. The music, all of it building up to him, feeding that little chest mouth, and I'm pretty sure killing himself. I don't, that's kind of the only outcome that I can see, is that he's just offed himself. But like, I don't know, like that whole scene with the voice acting, the intensity building with the music was really good. For the funniest moment, I'll give it to Toby. Toby in general, he's just silly, man. He's just like always kind of calling out as it is. He's like, oh, Sasuke, pretty impressive. Oh yeah, he got away. Oh, yep, substitution. And of course, Deidara's like, whose side are you on? Then for Sako, I could give it to Deidara, but I'm not gonna give it to him. If he's really gone here, I gotta save him from it, because I don't know, man. I've always, since Shippuden started, for some reason I've always liked Deidara. I just like his little mannerisms, his quirkiness, his power is really unique. I think that's a big part of it too. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe the character design and all that I've always really enjoyed. Like during like the reaction, I was like getting just like. It's like preparing myself to like start getting sad almost. Like I was like, oh god, he's about to get axed by Sasuke. So yeah, I don't know, man. It's like I said towards the end of it, I'm kind of sad that all the Akatsuki members are dwindling. Like I don't know. Like I kind of want them to be around for longer. It makes me curious about how they're gonna maintain their strength when they're losing so many of them, right? Hearing this big ultimate plan from the leader, how is that actually going to come to fruition now with so many of them dying? Like if Deidara is dead, it's Toby, Kasame, Tachi, the leader, and Zetsu, right? I don't know, man. It's not boding too well for the Akatsuki at this point. Although with Itachi, Kasame seems really strong too, and I assume the leader is pretty cracked, and maybe just with those three, they have enough strength to really keep on moving forward with their plans. So who knows? Or maybe they'll just recruit some more. Or maybe Toby is cracked and we just haven't seen it. There's definitely something hidden within Toby. He's too nonchalant to not be strong. But yeah, y'all, I think that'll do for this episode. Let me know what y'all thought about this fight in the comments below. What parts of it you liked, what parts you didn't. And yeah, hopefully Sasuke is alive. I don't know how he would get away from this explosion, but there's no way they would kill him off this way. So I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to commit to any kind of thought process here. But yeah, appreciate y'all being here. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will catch you for the next videos. Peace.